Okay, guys, good morning. We're still looking at the market right now, and I'm watching the Nasdaq here hit this support area and bounce back up. And the ES is trying to go lower, but still no conviction. So I couldn't make it to the morning. There were good trades in the morning, but let's see if we can find
Target filled.
another reversal here and make some trades. We see the Nasdaq right down here.
Target filled. Order submitted.
Yeah, Nasdaq hit all the reversals. You see the imbalance pointing to the downside. Then we got this big push, then the reversal again. Then we got this straight candle to the upside. Excellent trade. This is more than 150 ticks. Yeah, it just hit this bottom here and couldn't go through. So let's see if we can make a trade here in the ES and see if we can make a good profit out of it. We see big volume in this area here. We can try and
Order
go
submitted.
long from here. It's a good spot. Market is really, you see this reversal here from the short. This high frequency trader just manipulating the market.
Order
All
canceled.
this is nonsense. It's a false breakout. So we are expecting the market to crawl higher. We see the tape momentum here. You see the high frequency trader trigger lines here. You see it just push to the high. Didn't want the market to go lower. They just defended this area. It's incredible how these guys work. But you see, all this is visual, guys. I'm a very visual trader. I need to see what's going on, and I need the market to slow down. I don't like markets when they're crazy fast. They don't work for me. I prefer to trade when the market, when everybody is maybe shorting, there's always a reversal, or they're going higher and they just, they try to go to lower the market. So I see buyers in the tape. I see more buyers than sellers. I'm okay losing this trade. So with little lots, not too many lots.
Order filled.
You see high frequency traders pushing the market lower, but they did it over here too. So we're just waiting. We have 5,000 contracts in this bar. It's not too manipulable. It's just a hesitation. Nasdaq just turned around.
Sweet.
Okay, the Nasdaq made a big burp to the upside. He is following. Yeah, we saw big candles here. Volume. This one's picking up. 6,000 volume candle.
Order submitted.
I'm going to add to the position here. The worst scenario is that the market reverses and it puts me in a break-even trade. You saw the high frequency traders bought here.
Order filled.
There's Nasdaq pushing higher. Look at this, guys. Almost 30,000 volume candle here in a pace that's very slow. This is grinding. Sometimes it's good because the market is not in high volatility, especially in that section of the market. We have good harmony. We see tape momentum exclusively blue. They try to sell it here. You see why you need to see the skids of the time and sales, the scars that the time and sales leave on the market, because you can go and check whatever happened.
Order canceled.
You see, I see here the market tried to go lower. High frequency traders pushing to the downside, but they couldn't. So this means something, you need to check all this information. Okay, so over here they pushed the market lower incredibly fast. Okay, but over here they couldn't. They tried here. So that can mean something. Okay, you need to read the market. You need to understand what the market is telling you. Okay, else it's a story. It's a story. You need to understand. Else, you will never get it. You will never get it. Don't trade fast markets, because your ability to react to something, it's you're a human being. You're not a machine. These machines that these guys have is, are out of space. They're out of this world. They're incredible. That it's a technology that we'll never know what's inside that type of technology. We only can trade what us humans can chase. Okay, so we can manage. So we want slow speed, and slowly grinding is the best. Okay, because you can get scalps. In this trade I've been up 200. So I can get $100, 150, and be done for the day. That's it. This is the flashlight I need. I need a flashlight that can give me direction, can give me tell me what the market is doing at X amount of day, of time, whatever, so I can control what I can do. You see, the market is, I always tell you, look for big volume. You see there's big volume here, over 10K, almost 15K. This one is almost 30K. They're building up, so just go with them. We're not gonna move the market. We just follow the market. That's all that we do. That's our job. Just find the pace where these guys are trading and just go along with them. That's it. Still grinding, guys. We expect the Nasdaq to break out of this area. Once it breaks, ES will move higher. We're up 10,000 volume in this candle.
Sweet.
So they're really pushing the price higher, but slowly. See buyers in the tape, 6 in the same second. We're trying to see momentum here. 8 sellers in the same second. These guys just got one tick. Okay, let's see if the momentum picks up in this area. Nasdaq needs to break this resistance, else we're gonna be caged in this.
Sweet.
Okay, we see buyers in the tape. Little sellers. 20, 24, 70, 26, 38. Selling the tip of this up. Okay, guys, there you go. We got the imbalance. There you go. They already broke the high. The majority of the time, if that you see over here, a 0 second order, it's a reversal. This is a pattern from the imbalance indicator. When you see a 0 second and that quick, it's a reversal. They would just sell it and buy it again. That's all what they do. So we have seen this pattern many times. When you see, maybe you see 1 second, 2 seconds, it's okay. But when you see 0 seconds and very high volume, it's just it's a reversal. It's not. It's an empty bar. It's just manipulating the market or giving liquidity. So we're gonna give it some room. High frequency trader selling again. Okay, guys, here goes the ES. You may ask yourself, why did I enter this trade? Okay, so we see a 30,000 volume in the candle in the morning. Remember, yesterday is the same story. Once you find the 30,000 volume candle, in another time frame, it can be another kind of volume. But I used the Unirenko trend 2, reversal 12, and then offset an 8 of 8. So in this type of candle, in this type of setup, this is what I look for at 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 volume candle. So that way I can see if there's trap traders, okay? Because all these trades, they need to exit. They need to move somewhere, or just, there's gonna be a squeeze. So once you do that, you check where the market is going. When you see all this high frequency trading, you don't see no volume in the lower part of the volume area. This is empty volume. There's no volume here. So you're not invited to trade. Just if you are in the morning, for example, before the high frequency traders start selling, it's okay. You just enjoy the ride. But when you see this guy, just stay away. Stay away. Let the market pick up volume again and just start trading again. Else, stay away. Okay, we're gonna try an exit. 2 contracts I did high. I go break even. The worst scenario right now is that we go break even. We didn't win and we didn't lose. But I see the pattern. I see it's working. Market is in harmony, going up. There's a lot of volume. It's not a bar that can be manipulated. Or if Mr. Biden or other congressman just says something about interest rates or something and just blew the pattern away. Hopefully we see buyers in the tape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the same second. So this is good. They're accumulating.
Target filled.
Okay, target fill. You see all these buyers in the tape here. We did a Nasdaq divergence here, but I saw the market just was absorbing all the sellers in the low of the bar. Well, it didn't pull to the low, but maybe 2 or 3 ticks from the high. Nasdaq is just stalled there, but the ES is still pushing. The micro ES still pushing. Okay guys, so if you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I can send you all the information that you need. Um, Thanks for watching guys.